In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear terminal in Cursor AI. If you spend time running commands, testing code, or reading logs, your terminal can quickly fill up with output. Keeping it clean makes it easier to spot the next thing you run, reduces distractions, and helps during demos or when you're recording your work. I'll walk you through two simple ways to instantly tidy up your terminal without disrupting what you're doing. First, the fastest method uses a keyboard shortcut. Click inside the terminal panel so it has focus, then press Ctrl plus L if you're on Windows or Linux, or Command plus L if you're on a Mac. That's the letter L as in log, not the number 1. The moment you press it, the terminal screen clears. You'll see your prompt jump to a fresh, empty view, ready for your next command. This action is all about visual cleanup. It does not delete your command history or stop any running process. You can still press the up arrow to recall previous commands, and any jobs you started continue running in the background. Think of it as wiping the whiteboard, not throwing the markers away. Now, if you prefer to use a command, or if your shortcuts are remapped, there's an equally reliable option. In the terminal, simply type the word clear and press enter. The screen will empty out and the cursor moves to the top, giving you the same clean workspace. This is especially handy when you're connected to remote environments or when you want an explicit command in your workflow or scripts. Just like the shortcut, this does not erase your history or change your shell state. It only resets what you see on the screen so you can focus on what comes next. A couple of quick tips to make this smoother. If the shortcut doesn't seem to work, make sure the terminal panel is active by clicking inside it first. Otherwise, the key press might be captured by the editor. If the display doesn't change when you type clear, confirm you pressed enter and that you didn't accidentally add extra characters. You'll know it worked when your prompt appears at the very top with an empty screen below it. That's all there is to it. Use Ctrl plus L on Windows or Linux, Command plus L on Mac, or type clear and press enter. With these two methods, you can keep your terminal in Cursor AI neat, readable, and ready for whatever you do next.